Hello, queens and kings. It's Dana Store Codes, Killer Queen Antique Jewelry. Unboxing time. Woohoo! There's a box. Let's get into it. One of my favorite houses. And I have been waiting for this package. 2 weeks now. Got the mat up, so let's leave the box here. Let's figure out. I'm gonna have to open it this way. Ooh, packing peanuts. Take out one item at a time. This one's gonna need a tiny bit of restoration. I'm gonna have to set some antique pearls. Couldn't exactly see the date at auction. Definitely Victorian. Of course, we know it's hard to size with the pearls. So we'll probably size it and then repair the pearls. Beautiful almondine garnets. It is fully hallmarked. Victorian beauty. Now, these two, I don't normally go for more modern, but they are vintage. And y'all do love horoscope. And of course, we have Taurus and we have Pisces. Carved in quartz. Those are sterling. Ooh, oh, this is definitely a piece I was waiting for. We've seen these marks before. This is sterling. Victorian Scottish kite marks. I'll decipher those for you. Look at this treasure. Fabulous Victorian Scottish agate brooch. Set with cairngorm. I absolutely love it. Oh, love this too. This antique. 9-karat gold. And who can't use a 4-leaf clover? We could all use a bit of luck. I'll price it without chain and with chain. Oh, hate these packing peanuts. This one is so stinking cute. Oh my God. It is vintage. That is onyx. And of course it is a... I'm not sure what a group of cats is. Isn't it funny that a group of apes is a congress? Oh. I love them. Sterling silver. I'm a trinket box junkie. No, this one. I'm not sure if that says 925 or 935. But it's amethyst and marcasite. Tiny little silver pill case. I'll need to test that and see if it's chalcedony or chrysoprase, because it sort of looks like chalcedony. That one's vintage as well. Perfect to stash a ring, or oh, I have to see how to open the thing too. Stash a ring or your pills. This one could hold several rings and earrings. I keep these. They are all sterling. I think this one is antique, and that is an amethyst. That is beautiful. Yeah, I knew one was antique in the lot and the other were vintage, but they're all outstanding. This one is probably late Victorian, Edwardian with this wire work. And the amethyst cabochon. That's it. Just a quickie haul. I want to thank you, Queens and Kings, and I will see you all either in shorts, videos, or perhaps a live sale. Have a wonderful rest of your day.